It is here. The boxes that I've been waiting for so long. They finally have arrived. That's the mystery tackle box that they were giving out. And I got a couple more stuff. It's gonna be fun unboxing these. Let's see what we got. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing, and I've been waiting for this one for a good while. Constantly kept checking my email every single time, waiting for these boxes to finally come home. And it's the mystery tackle box that I've been actually waiting for so long now. And of course I got more stuff here. So small little box right over here. We have this big ginormous box from Karl's shop. Karl's Bait and Tackle. So let's not open up the big one first. I would love to open up the smallest one, which is not the mystery tackle box, but let's open up this one first. And then we'll work our way down. After this one, we'll go ahead and open up the mystery tackle box, and then we'll open up the big old box. So let's go ahead and open this up. So keep in mind, I don't have any scissors, so I'm just gonna have to pry this one right open. From here. Oh, looks like we got some pretty good stuff going on over here. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out. Ooh, so you have some bait going on. I didn't really say the name of it, but that's what we're rocking with. See that? So we're gonna leave that there. Second one. Ooh, look at these puppies. So they only come in four. I got these right over here. Again, they don't really specify the name of it. If I had this yesterday, I would have totally used this around the lily pads. We would have had a better odds catching some sea bass. So it is designed for finesse worms, crawdads, lizards, sinkos, grubs, and tubs. And it is very good for sea bass. It's a shaky head, and it works well with the green pumpkin. So it says right on the packaging. There it is, right there. Yep, right there. We have one of these, and I'm assuming that it goes well with this right here. Attach that right behind it, and there you go. Works really well. I'm assuming this one does the same thing as well. But again, I might be wrong. And let me know if I'm wrong. Just leave it down in the comments below. And we have some mustard hooks, megabytes. So we have one of these. I mean, these are some really good hooks. I've started to run out of these because I was losing them yesterday when we were fishing at the lily pads, which is a big mistake, by the way. Some floaters. Oh, these are for panfish. That's what we're working with. That's cool. So yeah, I got one of these right here. So yeah, got one of these. Again, you attach that right behind plastic bait and then work your way down. So let's go ahead and we got 3 more things. This and this together should do well. These are really quite small. There's a whole bunch of them in here as well, so that's what we're rocking with right here. Yep, that's what I have. That's what came in the box. Put that there, and then we have swim baits. Yep, that's what they have. That's what they gave us. So we'll see how that rolls out. So that's what came in the box so far. Sounds good. So again, no knife, no scissors, so just doing it by hand. Ooh. Look at all that. Oh wow, this is a lot of stuff. This is definitely a lot of stuff. This one's designed by Japan, as you can tell. It says right down there. Finesse football jig. I did hear a lot about this one. I wanted to get this one next, but I'm so glad I didn't buy it because I was getting these in the package, and of course this one came in the mystery box. So thank goodness I didn't have to spend money for this, because I did hear that it was really good whenever it comes to sinking down into the bottom. Again, it doesn't say the name of it, but it does look like a sink. No, it's a worm. It's a worm. I might be wrong because it doesn't say the name of it. It just says Riot Baits. So yeah, I'll let y'all see it, and then y'all tell me and let me know what that really is. It might be a Senko, it might be a worm. I mean, I'm pretty sure they're both the same thing, but thank goodness I got that one. I got one more of these right here. Yep. And then if I'm correct, you can put this on there, or you can put the worm. It doesn't really matter. You can do both. You can do that and the worm. What in the hell is this? So this is a suspending bait. Looked like it was open before. Might be wrong. So this thing is huge. It's suspending. Look at that. That's huge. I mean, 10 centimeter green ghost. I mean, I can give it a shot. We'll try it out. That may be a good video to do. Try this one out and then see if we can catch something. Maybe a big bass or something. Another one of these. Yep, there goes another one right there. It's like what, my fourth one so far? Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is my fourth one. Yeah, this one's gonna be ridiculous. Look at the size of that. That's gonna be ridiculous to fish. There's something in the middle of it. That's gonna be weird. So we have a couple of paper. What's inside? So it shows you a list of how much everything actually costs. I don't know if y'all can read that, but yeah, it'll show you how much everything will cost inside the box that I already got. It also came with a sticker, yeah, and then some fun activity like this booklet with word search. So it came with a word search, and then it comes with, is fishing a sport? I honestly think it is. I mean, I definitely enjoy it. It's fun. Wacky jigs and drop shots. That's nicely packaged. Look at that. Yeah, that's nicely packaged. So it's 3 of them in a size 1. But the packaging is so nice. I like that. I like the packaging. Alright. So that's what we have so far. That's a lot of stuff. That's what we have so far. Again, look at that, dude. Look at that. That thing is massive. And then look at that. Oh my god, that's gonna be crazy. That's gonna be nuts to freaking fish. Oh my god. Alright, time for the big one. Luckily the tape is paper, so I can just grip it with my fingers. Wow, look at that. Looks nice. So, right off the bat, as you can tell, yep, the rod runner. Have all my rods organized. Of course I only have 1 so far. I'll eventually get 2 and 3, so I don't have to keep switching out baits like the last. So this is a mask. See that? Yep, right there. Some sunglasses. Nothing too crazy. And then survival pocket knife. Oh, look at that. It's insane. It's crazy looking. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much all I have. That's a lot of stuff, really. I'm gonna have to organize my tackle box from now on to see what am I gonna do with all this stuff, because I mean, even though I have 3 shelf storage of them, I don't want the heavy stuff to be right on top. So we'll see what happens. Look at that. See that? Wow. I got the little flashlight on there too. Oh, look at that. Wow. That thing is strong, really. So the way you shut it off is either, sadly, you gotta like unscrew it a little bit. Wonder if there's a button for it. If there's a button, that'd be nice. I don't see a button. And then a little blade on the back of it too. That's pretty cool. This part right here comes right up. See that? And then you pull that down, shoots right up. That looks nice. I actually like it a lot. Yep. And a little blade. Whenever you got some wire going on. That's sweet. That is so sweet. I want to open up the glasses next. This is what I was looking at next. See that? We got a problem over here. So, like I said, we're going to have to use our knife. Gosh darn it. Nice. That thing was sharp. That thing was very sharp. Okay. So yeah, that's what comes up right there. So that's where I got the sticker from too. The sticker came with the other one. So you put this on. Oh yes, dude. Oh yeah. It looks so nice. The only problem is I don't like it where it fogs on my glasses. I'm gonna make a separate video from what I have in my tackle box previously to what I have now. I'm gonna be organizing it because it's gonna take a while, but I'd rather have y'all see what's in my tackle box. Before that, I had these new lures and new baits and new hooks and new bobbers and all this kind of stuff. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Give me your advice and you know what to use for bait and lure whenever it comes to, you know, the pre-season. I've been hearing that you use the spinner bait, the chatter baits mainly, but leave your comments below. See if any of these that I got in this video will help out for the pre-season. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.